Hello everyone, welcome today. Today, in the daily newspaper of Saturday, yes, it's Saturday, August the 21st, 2021. Look, August, Saturday, 2021, 21st. We have here only one regular Sudoku, and it's a medium Sudoku. But there's also on Saturday a quintuplet, also a regular quintuplet. So those two are regular Sudokus or puzzles, but in the newspaper we have also an additional with extra Sudokus or puzzles. 6 there are. Letter Sudoku, Sudoku with 2 stars, Sudoku with 3 stars, Tectonic with 4 stars. Then we have a Tectonic with 1 star. Binary Puzzle, only 6. What I will do is I solve the Medium Sudoku. Then today 3 Sudokus, 3 star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary, and tomorrow on Sunday the rest of the Sudokus in additional, letter Sudoku, 2 stars and 1 Tectonic. So that's my plan. Yes. Alright, but first we will solve this baby, and this one a medium Sudoku will be number, let me zoom this out. Yes, medium Sudoku. This will be number 3275. 3275. Before I start, I always count a printed digit. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars in the additional, this will be a 2 stars. For 2 stars Sudoku or puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me see. Yeah, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 7. We see here 2 and a 7 in this column. So no 2 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 7. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers are 1 and 2. 3. 1 and 3 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Alright. Alright. So we have a 7 in this row. First row. 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Alright. Alright. Yeah. 2. How about the number 1 5 5. Okay. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in that box. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 9 in this column. Third column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4. The 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. 1. The 2 is missing. And the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3. We see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 missing numbers in the second column then. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. And the 5 is missing. The 1 and the 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and the 5. Alright. Alright. Uh-huh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these. Wait. 2 of those missing numbers here. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square are the numbers a 6 and a 4. We have a 6 and a 4 in this row. So no 6 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 and a 4 in the middle column. So no 6 and a 4 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 4. 6 and the 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. Alright. Alright. So now we have a 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only place for the 7 should be there. Okay. Alright. Yeah. I'm thinking. 5, 3, 7. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Okay. I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see which number I can use. How about 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have 8 and a 9 in this row. So no 8 and a 9 in these 2 boxes in this big square. So the 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means the other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and the 2 are missing. 1 and a 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Alright. Alright. So we have a 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 and the 9 are missing. 8 and the 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Alright. we have a pair, 8 and a 1 in this column, 8 and a 1 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only two places left for the 8 and a 1 should be in those two boxes as a pair, 8 and a 1. Let me mark those two boxes, 8 and a 1. Okay, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So that row, the only place for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 1, 2. The 3 is missing, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and the 9 are missing in this big square. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Alright, 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and a 3, let me mark those two boxes. I'm looking for 2 numbers that are missing. Here also 2 numbers. Those are missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and an 8. 5 and an 8. Okay. Here also 2 numbers missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and an 8 are missing. 7 and an 8. We have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and an 8 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Here we have 1 and a 3. There, 5 and an 8. Cannot be there, so... and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. Now we have 2 missing numbers in this row, or in this big square. 1 and 3, 5 and 8. This should be the 9. And the 6 are missing. 9 and a 6. 9 and a 6. Let me mark those two boxes. 9 and a 6. Yeah. 2 numbers missing in the middle row. 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 1 and a 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this box can't be 9 anymore. That box should be a 9, and this box should be a 6. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Okay. Now we have an 8 there, so this box can't be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Alright. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There's 6, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be there. Now we have 2 numbers left in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 9 should be there. two numbers missing in this big square. For the numbers 1, the 2 is missing, 3, 4, and a 5. 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be an 8. Alright. Alright. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row, the third row. 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Now we have a 6 there. So this box can't be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 6, 7. And the 8 is missing. 5 and 8. We see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Talk too much in the beginning. Well, I'm pleased with the time, so our practice still continues. Alright. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the other Sudokus in additional. I will do 3 of them. The other 3 tomorrow on Sunday. So see you then. Bye bye for now.